Hi, I'm here from the Get Site Control team developing the Aurora theme for Shopify. Today I'll show you how to build a stunning testimonials section for a Shopify store with Aurora. Testimonials provide social proof and build trust with potential customers. That's why it's so important to have this section in your store. So let's get started. We are now in the theme editor of the Sheer Demo store. I am going to create the Testimonials section just like the one featured in this demo. Let's choose the corresponding section from the list. First, I'll choose the matching color scheme. Note that you can always change the colors in your color schemes in the General Themes settings. Let's also change the section width to medium. Here you can color the section's background and the background of testimonial cards. I'll leave these two checked. Then come the General Testimonials settings. Here you can choose the layout for desktop. Let's show you how they look. I'll keep right vertical. Next come mobile layouts. Here's how they look. I'll choose the slideshow layout. Down below you can choose how many testimonial cards to show on desktop, set the spacing between them, and align the text within the testimonial cards on desktop and mobile. I'll leave the default settings. And finally, you can turn on the rating stars on top of testimonials and make them match your brand's colors. Then come the text fields for the welcoming content of the section. Let's fill them out. Moving on to the background image. Let's add an image and see how it looks. Here you can also adjust the image overlay to make the text on it more prominent. And adjust the image width to determine how much space the image will occupy within the section. I'll set it to 50% so that our image takes half of the section. If you want, you can turn on autoplay for the testimonial cards and set up its speed, but I'll leave it off. Now it's time to customize the testimonial cards. To save us time, I've already supplied our testimonials with pre-made reviews and reviewers data. Let's start by setting up the rating based on the review. Below the rating, I've added the review, the author's name, some details about them, and their avatar. If you don't have the author's avatar, don't worry, the image will be replaced by neat quotes. Down below you can add the reviewed product to the testimonial. Its image will appear to the left of the review, and the link to the product page will show under the rating stars. Let's supply other testimonials with the corresponding products. If you don't like the featured product image or want to simply add an image to the testimonial without any product, you can do that down here. Let's replace the image of our product with a better looking one. And lastly, if you want to make the whole testimonial card clickable, you can add a link here. But if you leave the field blank and then click the testimonial, its content will slide in from the side. And that's it. What a stunning section we've created. Now go ahead and set it up in your own store. Bye!